Rain is on the way. There's no doubt about that.
Yes. Next week, though.
Yeah, so at least we get to enjoy the 2 days this weekend.
You had me scared. I was afraid you knew something I didn't know, but yeah, we were
Don't get scared, Chris.
We were thinking we'd have some rain earlier today, just a little bit, but we're not going to have any rain this weekend. It's going to be beautiful. In fact, here are your numbers at the Augusta Regional Airport. No rain fell at the airport today. The rainfall deficit now almost 1.5 inches, but we're still looking pretty good. Savannah River very healthy at 105.2 feet above sea level. High temperature today was very healthy as well at 82 degrees. That was 2 degrees warmer than it usually is. Nowhere near the record high of 93 back in 1885. Here's your drive time forecast. It's going to be a great looking Saturday. Enjoy the warmth. We'll be 60 degrees at 9 o'clock in the morning. High temperatures tomorrow will get into the 80s. Lows tonight behind a cold front, 51 in Evans, 54 clear skies in Aiken, dropping down to 55 in Sylvania. High temperatures tomorrow in the middle 80s. The average high is 80, but we're up to 85 in Augusta, 83 the high temperature over in Warrenton. Here's the pollen forecast. If you have the yard chores, you may have some tree pollen to contend with. 8.4 the latest count there. And there's your boating and fishing forecast. A great day up there at the lake. Moonrise at 5 o'clock in the morning. Ashley?